Hey foodies, welcome to Siddha Can Cook and have a Merry Christmas. For this Christmas, I have the recipe for the coffee Christmas cake. First of all, I have taken a bowl. In that bowl, I have added 100 ml of hot water. Next, you need to add the 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. Just mix it and add the all dry fruits which you have in hand. First of all is the cashew nut. Next is the raisin. Next, the black raisins, some walnuts, dried raspberry and blueberry, and some almonds. All the dry fruits are chopped roughly and added to the coffee mixture. Now let it soak for 30 minutes so that all the coffee flavor is infused in the dry fruit. Next I have taken 60 grams of sugar. Now just caramelize it. After it has little bit of caramelized color or the brown color, add some hot water and switch off the flame and mix it, and here you have the caramelized sugar syrup. Now just let it cool down and keep it aside. Next, take a bowl. In that add half a cup of milk, that is 120 ml of milk, 60 grams of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and these are the soaked dry fruits in the coffee decoction, and add it to it and just mix it. Next, take a sieve, add 1.5 cups of refined flour or maida. Next with the powdered sugar, you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Next are the spices which include cinnamon, nutmeg. Next add the 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now just sieve all the ingredients into the milk, butter and dry fruits which were soaked in the coffee decoction. Now just mix it in the cutter method with rubber spatula. Next add the caramelized sugar syrup. This would give a great taste. And next is the vinegar which would activate the baking soda which we had added earlier. Here the cake batter is done and I have lined a cake tin with some butter paper or parchment paper. Added the batter and tapped few times so that it is leveled, and decorated it with some dry fruits on the top. So after decorating it, I will bake it in the oven which is preheated at 170 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. After baking it, I will wrap the cake in a damp cloth for 1.5 hours so that it stays soft. So after long wait of 2 to 3 hours, the Christmas cake is done. There are some cracks, but cracks are the good sign of a good baking. Here I will cut the cake with a serrated knife into my preference sizes. You can cut as per your preference. Here is the cake done. The cake was very delicious, the dry fruits were very awesome, the coffee flavor was very nice, and it was very delightful to eat the Christmas cake. So if you like the recipe and the video, then give the video a thumbs up. Please share the video with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel. Also drop a comment which would suggest me the next recipes which I need to make for you. So thanks for watching, goodbye and happy cooking.